Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to DeepSeek voice chat better than ChatGPT in 2025. So from here, if you open DeepSeek website, you will have two options. You will have the option to start it. From here, also you will have the option to get DeepSeek app on your mobile phone or on your tablet. So you can just scan this barcode to download the app. If we go to DeepSeek and try to voice chat, I asked him the same question. He told me currently I primarily support text into action and don't have the capability for voice chat. However, you can continue to communicate with me via text and I'll do my best to assist you. If you have any question or need help, feel free to tell me. So, as you see, DeepSeek himself told me that he can't voice chat. Also, as I use DeepSeek a lot, there are some differences between it and ChatGPT. So, in the answer, sometimes DeepSeek will be better, and a lot of times ChatGPT will be better. So ChatGPT will be more specific and accurate, but DeepSeek sometimes can just do that. But for some easy questions, DeepSeek will answer you directly and fast without any problem. So with the features that ChatGPT have right now, I recommend ChatGPT better, but you can actually use DeepSeek without any problem. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.